Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thanks for tuning in. So this video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I didn't originally create this video to be a makeup tutorial, but I did have the footage and I thought, why not throw it into a tutorial for you guys? It is going to be a voiceover because it is something that I just was putting makeup on. This was actually me demonstrating the use of my Morphe brushes. So if you haven't seen that video, it is a video on my Morphe brushes 1 year later, after like a whole year of use. I'll put that up here in the iCard. Should be on my channel already. But this is the makeup look that I had on in that video, and I thought maybe some of you guys were interested in the way that I got the look. When I was creating this look, I remembered my Glamlite video and me mentioning that I really wanted to use this light green in a tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys know the drill. Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Eden to prime the eyes. And I just set it down with some setting powder. I believe the one I used was Fenty in the shade Butter. And then I'm going to use the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals palette. First I used the matte shade Soothe, and then I went in later with Ritual, the dark chocolate matte brown in the outer V. I really love this look because it's very versatile, and you can totally use any color that you want on the lid as like the main part of the eyeshadow look. Because the shadows are so neutral, it pretty much goes with any other shimmer shade that you want to put with this look. I chose the light green color because it was a shade that I had been wanting to use for quite some time, and it came out so beautifully, and I'm really obsessed with this look so much. It is a cut crease look, so I did take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to cut my crease, and then I added the shimmer right on top. It really just makes any shimmer shadow pop really well. And it's really because not only is it like a lighter shade, but it also gives it like a really sticky base so that the shimmer shade will really stick, and you can get like a maximum amount of pigmentation out of the shimmer. However, out of habit, I always use my finger to top off any metallic eyeshadow that I'm using. It feels right, and it makes it look even more intense somehow, some way. So time for the star of the show. I'm using the Glamlite paint palette. I'm using this light green shimmery shade here. And like I said, you don't have to use this specific shade. I know it's a really unique shade, so it's kind of harder to find, but use any of your favorite color you want to put on the lid. This look is so versatile. You can use any color that you want. I took the shade Ritual again to help blend any harshness between the shimmer and the matte shades. And then I took the Urban Decay Heavy Metals glitter liner in Midnight Cowboy, which is again another glitter that kind of goes with any color. So you could totally add this or skip this part, but I just thought it added like a little bit of extra oomph or shimmery. I don't know, it's shiny, it's pretty. I think by putting the glitter liner, it just really adds to the look, and it helps create not such a harsh line between the color and the neutral transitional shade. And I went ahead and finished up the eyes with a thin black winged eyeliner. For priming the face, I used my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Obsessed, can't get enough of it. And then another product I'm also obsessed with is this Wet n Wild foundation stick. I use the shade Shell Ivory, and this is it's the perfect amount of coverage for me, and it matches my complexion really well. Like, I have a hard time matching my shades sometimes, but this one just works perfectly with like my neck and everything, and it blends out so well, and it has like a hydrating look to it. I really like this foundation so much, and it's so inexpensive. This concealer is by Miliani, and I'm really just trying it out in this makeup look again because I've used it quite a few times, and every time I'm like, it's gotta be better than that. It's gotta be better than that. Like, maybe it was just me, but I really don't enjoy this concealer. I've tried it so many times, and it's never enough coverage for me, and it's a little bit too dark for me. I like a more highlighted look, but anyways, you can see I'm pretty undecided about it, but Moving on, I contoured with the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick by Benefit, another product that I'm kind of unsure about, but I was apparently wanting to try a bunch of my makeup in my collection this day, so a lot of this stuff isn't stuff that you guys have seen me use before, but it's stuff that I want to like keep trying because I have so much makeup I need to get through. It's ridiculous. And then I set my under eyes with the Fenty setting powder again in butter. And then afterwards I decided, like I said, that concealer was a little bit too dark for me. So I went in with my Jeffree Star setting powder. I'm so obsessed with the setting powder. And because it is translucent, it's very light and it works really well for my complexion. A lot of translucent powders are actually too dark for me. And this one it just always works. And then I bronzed the face with my Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer in Tantastic. Another product that I'm obsessed with. I can't get enough of. And for blush, again, I'm just so undecided throughout this entire tutorial. But I ultimately went in with the Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon. It's a really great, like, almost peachy nude kind of blush. It goes with pretty much any look, in my opinion. And I highlighted with another product I haven't touched in a long time, but it's great. It's the Physicians Formula Shimmer Strips. It's like the nude one. I kind of stayed to the lighter yellowy-ish, goldish sides of the shimmer strips. I don't know. You guys get the point. And I highlighted all over the face. I also used this on my brow bone. And for brows, I went in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in dark brown. I cannot get enough of this, guys. Like, seriously, it's one of my favorite ways to do my brows. I don't even use it the way it's supposed to be used. I use it to fill in my brows like a pomade instead of like a gel. I love it so much using it that way. It just lasts all day long. And mascara, I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on the top and the Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny mascara on the bottom. Then for lashes, I use the Paint Splashes in the blue style. Oh my god, these lashes are so good. I've not heard anybody talk about them, but they're so beautiful. And again, back to an undecided choice. Lipstick, I used ColourPop. I used the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in the shade Grunge. It's such a gorgeous, gorgeous shade for the fall time and the winter time. I mean, anytime really, but I love this shade so much. I definitely want to use it more. I did want more dimension, so I added some Fenty lip paint in Unbuttoned to kind of make a little bit dimension in my lips. And lastly, I set the face with the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist, and that, my friends, is the finished look. It's deeper than the ocean, baby. Stronger than your fears. Climb above my body, baby. You're invited here. I know you heard it feels like. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, found it helpful or useful or even entertaining, maybe. Not a word. If you did, I appreciate you pushing the like button and maybe even considering subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.